Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been.
Hi, I'm Bimbo.
I'm Elsa.
Actually, Sister S and I met when we were in college, and we're now married for 20 years. No?
Yes, 20 years.
Actually, magkaklase kami. Hindi naman, schoolmate kami sa UST.
Barkada kami.
Yeah.
Oo, tapos, di niya ata ako niligawan. Hindi. Magbarkada kami bago kami naging mag-boyfriend. Then,
Yeah.
1990? Ay, anong year ba tayo kinasal? Basta 20 years na kami. Tapos,
Message namin sa mga youth, well, siguro we have to stay young as you are. And also take advantage of your youth. Enjoy your youth. Be happy.
mag-aral mabuti.
At the
Magtapos
same
ng
time.
pag-aaral bago mag-boyfriend.
Yeah.
At
Katulad kami ni Sister Elsa sa school, magkakilala na kami.
pero nag-work na kami nung nag-boyfriend kami. Tapos, mag-aral muna mabuti, magtrabaho, at pag nagtrabaho na, enjoy yung pagtatrabaho bago mag-asawa.
Okay? Mahaba na. So,
Happy Valentine's Day!
Lucky to be coming home someday.